Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link table of contents to pages in PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to create an interactive document where readers can simply click on chapter titles or sections in your table of contents and jump directly to those pages, making navigation through lengthy PDFs much smoother and more professional. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature requires the professional tools that come with it. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file you want to add the table of contents links to. This will open your document in the main workspace, ready for editing. Now look to the upper left panel of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing mode, where you can modify various elements of your PDF. In the left panel, you'll see several options available. Click on More, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Link. This is the tool that will allow you to create clickable areas in your document that direct readers to specific pages. Next, click on Add or Edit a Link. This activates the link creation tool, and you'll notice your cursor changes, indicating you're ready to define where the link should be. Now comes the important part. Draw a rectangle on the title or entry in the table of contents you want to add a link to. Make sure the rectangle covers the entire text area you want to be clickable, so users can easily click anywhere on that line to navigate. After drawing your rectangle, a Properties window will appear with several customization options. Navigate to Link Type, then click the drop-down menu beside it and choose Invisible Rectangle. This ensures that the link box doesn't show up as a visible border in your final PDF, keeping your document looking clean and professional. Next, in the Highlight Style section, click the drop-down menu beside it and choose Invert. This setting provides a subtle visual feedback when someone hovers over or clicks the link, letting them know it's interactive without being too distracting. Now navigate to Link Action, which determines what happens when someone clicks this link. Click the circle beside Go to a page view, then click Next. This tells Adobe that you want this link to jump to a specific location in the document. At this point, a message will pop up instructing you to navigate to the exact page and view you want the link to point to. This is your chance to scroll to the correct page in your document and position it exactly how you want readers to see it when they click the link. Once you've navigated to the correct page and set the view, click Set Link. The link is now created and will take readers directly to that page whenever they click on it in the table of contents. You can repeat this process for every entry in your table of contents, creating a fully interactive navigation system throughout your PDF. This makes your document significantly more user-friendly, especially for reports, ebooks, manuals, or any lengthy document where quick navigation is essential. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.